In this step we will set up the FunFact section of the front page. Click on the Customize link to open the Customizer panel. Click on the Front Page Section tab. Click on the FunFacts tab to open FunFacts settings. Click on the Add New FunFact button to add a new FunFacts. Now, click on the newly added FunFacts tab to open its settings. Add title and add meta details like description and FunFact icon using icon picker. Now using the Change Image button, you can change a background image. You can also set FunFact count for the homepage by using the homepage FunFact count settings. After setting up FunFact settings, click on Publish button to save changes, and close the customizer to take final preview of the FunFact section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.